The world's power grids have taken 120 years to reach their current capacity. In the next decade, we will need to double it. It's a critical race against time. Hitachi Energy is accelerating the energy transition as a global technology and market leader in power grids. Our expertise and experience in pre-engineering, modularization, and prefabrication have allowed us to create the next generation of grid connection solutions. Grid-eXpand. Grid-eXpand includes 4 solution applications for permanent installation of solar PV plants, offshore wind, generic grid connections, and a separate set of mobile solutions. Grid-eXpand enables fast-track constructions, allowing for shorter lead times, earlier energization, and improved safety through less time and personnel at site. Our solutions cover a wide range of applications, from permanent installations through expansions to emergency recoveries and temporary grid connections, delivering excellence in both quality and speed of installation. Expand the grid with ease, thanks to prefabricated solutions which make your assets more harmonized. Benefit from reducing installation design variance, standardization on every level, and the usage of solutions compliant with global standards and local grid requirements. With Grid-eXpand, remote locations are no longer obstacles. Our prefabricated solutions have the resilience to withstand extreme weather conditions. Using mobile solutions, you can quickly move and redeploy assets, delivering energy to where it is needed most. Benefit from flexible, scalable, and repeatable solutions designed to adjust to your system and provide upgrading possibilities for the future. They are all enabled for Identic, our digital twin solution, providing all asset information, analytics, and operational data from a single source. Keep an environment-friendly track with lower lifecycle CO2 emissions, and through the use of compact and sustainable components. With Grid-eXpand, Hitachi Energy offers a broad range of pre-engineered grid connection solutions, inviting customers to co-create content for their specific needs. In this way, we're strengthening existing systems to meet the rising energy demands for today's generations and those to come. Unleash the power of Grid-eXpand.